Hi, Hal. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Oh, shall we wait for 1 more minute?
Okay.
Yeah, meanwhile, others can join. May I know that, overall, gone through the video I sent for the SQL lesson ready to practice? May I know that?
Yes, I have finished that. I have installed the Oracle database.
Thank you. You didn't get any error, right? So it is a simple. We can just 4 minutes video. Just we can
Yeah,
it's just we won't get any error, right?
there's no error. It was a simple procedure. Yeah, no error.
Yes, yes. Thank you. Thank you, Vikas. What about Hazard? Yes or no? Could you please respond to me? Okay. Only Deepak hasn't gone through the video and he hasn't installed it. So rest all are not done. Am I correct? Yes, please. Please seek out. I don't want to be one way communication classes. I should be an interaction session. I think I can see the new names here. Like they not joined yesterday. It seems. Could you please confirm on that?
I was there yesterday.
No, apart from you, I can see Swarup also. It is there. Swarup, have you installed the SQL Express Edition for the practice? Swarup, can you hear me? Okay, I can see Pregnant. Are you there?
Yeah, I'm there. Yesterday I was also there.
Okay, have you gone through that video and now SQL Plus is ready for practice?
No, sir.
No problem. Fine, fine. That is all right. Okay, we are already running 3 minutes. Let's start. Swarup, can you hear me? I'm audible. Your network is fine.
Yes, very much
Swarup, are
audible.
you
Yeah.
talking in mute? Swarup, okay. Let's start the day one class. Let me share my screen. So I told in the demo session, right? So it should be the practice. When we learn the concept, right? It is a languages. We need practice when we learn the concept. So that's why I told before coming to the session, it should be ready. So that will useful for practice.
Sorry,
So
this
now,
this session is also recorded, right?
yes, yes, Deepak, yes, Deepak.
Okay.
So today is the first class, regular class. So it is the day one. So I am beginning with the sequel. Okay. So day one, I would like to cover these topics. What is in SQL and then history and SQL statements. Okay. Types of SQL languages we have. We haven't DDL, DML, DCL, and TCL. What is mean by DDL? DDL is nothing but a data definition language. DML is nothing but data manipulation. As name is itself is indicate manipulate. So what is manipulate? Data manipulation. When data is already exists, then I want to do some manipulation on the data. Then we will go with DML SQL statements. So what is DDL? The DDL name itself defines data definition language. So we will declare the data, we will create the data, we will whatever data we're gonna create, that is data. We will define what I want, what is the table I want, what is the column I want, what is the data for the column I want. I will define. So those statements we will call DDL statement. Coming to the DCL statement, data control language. So here already data is there. I'm not doing any update on that or any manipulation on that. Just I will control the data. So we have a couple of comments there that we will call DCL. Coming to the transaction, TCL, transaction control language. So it is a similar to this one, but we will do transactions, not on data. We will do transaction control language. So today I would like to cover one, that is DDL. Basic things we will learn. So yesterday class you guys all know already what is in SQL. SQL is in structured query language. What is the purpose of SQL? Deepak, any
Yes,
answer from you?
yes, it is a language that is used to used to communicate between the user and the database, so that there is some
Exactly.
response that we get from the database.
Yes, yes, exactly. The structured query language is a language we are used to communicate with the databases. Okay. So SQL stands for structured query language. What are the types of SQL languages we have? DDL,
Sir,
DML. Uh, someone has interrupted. Please go ahead.
no, sir, I'm good. You can continue.
Oh, okay. So types of SQL languages, DDL, DML, DCL, and TCL. So today we will cover data definition language. So inside what actually it will come? As eye level, I said that data definition. What actually it will come? Okay. So as I told, this is prerequisite we have to complete our side. So when we have gone by one, right? We need to practice. For that, we need a SQL Oracle base. So that's why in yesterday class I told you guys can install. Okay. Deepak, have you tried any comments? No, right? Not at.
No, I have not tried any commands. I just installed.
Fine, fine. Today in a class, I will try to do in yourself. When I explain the topic, you can practice. Okay, you can share
Yeah,
your screen. You can go ahead. I will. That is I want. What? Why I told to install, right?
yeah,
Side by side, we can practice. When we practice, right, we will get an hands-on experience. What is the error? When I come to know that error, right? For example, in SQL, we will get invalid table name, the syntax error.
Yeah.
Okay, missing parentheses, we will get some error. So when I only experience, then I come to know that what is the error. Okay, those we can. So side by side, when we cover one by one, so we will practice. Okay.
Yeah.
So only Deepak isn't ready to share his screen and he can go ahead. So we will, let's
Uh,
move on.
uh, should I share my screen already?
No, no, no. I will cover. We will see something we know when we can practice. I will let you know the theory and you can
Okay.
practice. Okay. In your
Yeah.
screen,
Okay.
we can do the practice. Okay.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
as I told, the data definition language. So in data definition language, we will come these many commands. So what we can do, we can create the table. So what is the database? Database is nothing but a collections of table, collections of row and columns. Okay, what is the database? Database is nothing but a collections of tables
Rows and
and
columns.
records. So
Mhm.
what is table? It contains is nothing but it contains rows and columns. So in data definition language, what we will do? We will define the table. Okay, right. See, this is first of all for a database. This is the required, right? This is the basic. I need to create my table as per my requirement, right? For example, when we go back to our the student life, when I am a student, final year engineering or final year degree, right? Then you have a one student ID, right? We are the student that time, and we have a student ID. Student ID might be a integer data type or might be a string data type. Okay, integer is nothing but, so you guys already experienced on engineer candidate. Integer, it don't contain integer data type. Okay, I will go to the SQL data types later, but we will go DDL first. Okay, so create table. We will discuss today create table, and moreover, not only the SQL. Okay, go any programming language. We should have to very clear about each syntax for the command or loop statement, whatever, right? Go not only SQL, go any programming language. First of all, we should very clear about the syntax for the command. Okay, then only we are very good programmer. We can write it without an error. Even error comes, we can remember our syntax and we can correct it. Is it fine?
Yeah.
So today we can learn create table. We can, so one table is there. So what we can do? We can alter the table. Okay. So first of all, we need a table. So based on the table, what we can do? We can alter the table. So we can alter. Next, what I can do? I can drop the table and I can truncate the table. There was an difference between drop and truncate. I said drop, right? So what it will do? Both the functions, it will delete the table, but in the background there is a performance issues. There is a couple of differences is there. So if I tell now, so you guys will get bored or it will be go in mind. So once we are good, we will cover in detail. Now just remember, drop table, what it will do, it will just delete. Truncate also same function, what we can delete the table. So now coming to the data types, we have integer, varchar and date. Okay, only we will use three functions, three data types here. Okay, let me, okay, three data types here. What is there? Integer, varchar, and you may come across varchar is there and varchar 2. Basically both are same as a layman, but coming to the as a programmer, it will make a more difference. The varchar 2, it will, we will pass the parameter inside how many character we want. So what it will do, it will save the memory. When we do varchar 2, it will save the memory. The memory will say performance is very more. So there is a varchar and varchar 2 and date. and datum timestamp. These are the data types are there. Coming to the constraints, right? As name itself, constraints. What we can do, I created a table, right? I want to do some restriction for the column. So I want to do some constraints. Constraints is nothing but restrictions, or you have to do some rules for that, right? So those the constraints it will come primary key, foreign key, not null, unique, set, and default. As name says that what is the default? Default means default value for the column. Okay. So I told already the table when there is a table, for that table I can do some rules or some construction for that particular column. So default means I can say that what is the default value for that column. Okay. Check is nothing but I can check. I can condition only. I can keep that. Okay. When I will just giving a high level example where it will you use right. In for example, when we created a username and password, right? When we create simple password, we will get a error, right? And when I face this scenario,
Yeah.
what actually we will get? What is the error?
Uh, Wrong password.
That is the one. Another I am expecting. No, when we that is you already created the password. What
Mhm.
you told, right? There is another scenario. I think you Deepak is talking, right? So you already created a password. Now you entering when you
Mhm.
typo error or you incorrect password, then it will come. But before
Mhm.
creating, you will create the password, right? You will enter the password and you will reconfirm the password, right?
Yeah.
That time, what is the error
Yes.
you will get? What is the error you will get? There is a two chance. Either the password is a mismatch or it is not a strong password or it
Mm.
is not aligned with the constraint password, right? So if you
Yeah.
nowadays, if you create a Google account or anything, right, by default, Google itself give the strong keyword, right? What we will do, we will click on customize our password and I will create our own remember password. Am I clear?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. So there you will say how it will come that error that error comes on check constraints. They will do a checkpoint over there. So data the password should be it contains. So how they will define that a strong password? It is a it contains both small letter, the big letter and integer followed by combination special character. Am I correct?
Yeah.
Yeah, so this is we will call strong password. So kind of an just I'm giving an example. Kind of an the checks we can add to the any particular column to the table. So that time we will use the check constraint. Check constraint is clear.
Yeah.
Default constraint is clear. Default
Yeah.
means simple. Instead, when any particular column nothing is there, I wanted to fill some values. Okay, that time we will use for default constraint. What is a unique constraint? As name itself indicate that when I define particular column as an unique constraint, that column it contains unique values. So unique values. Coming to the not null. As name itself says that not null. There should be a not null. It should be a some value, right? And if you see primary key is nothing but a unique key. Okay. Now you guys come a question, right? What is the difference between primary key and unique key? Because both are same, right? It contains the unique.
Yeah.
Okay, there is a difference. Okay, unique key constraint, when I declare any particular column to the unique constraint, it contains 0. But primary key, it not contains 0. It should be a other than 0, unique. And one more difference is that we will declare only the one primary key for the particular table. One column we will declare as a primary key for the particular table. But unique column we can declare n number of column. We declare as a unique constraint. Is it clear?
Can we also give any value other than 0 for unique?
Yeah, that is what unique is. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So when 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all six values are distinct. When you give again 6, what happens? Okay, let me. So Deepak question is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Apart from 0, yes, that is what. When you again enter a 0, you mean that these are unique values, 0 and 0?
No.
No, right? Yeah, that is what, right? We can
Okay.
that is what you can give any unique values. If I give 5 again, what is it? It is not a unique, right? 5 it is already there,
Yeah.
right? Now I will give you.
Is unique
Now
applied for a particular column or a row?
yes, yes, column. These are all the constraints we can use for only columns. Okay, these are all
Okay.
constraints we can apply for only columns. Now you can anyone tell me these primary key and unique in our real life. We already come across, we completed degree and we are an experienced candidate. All right, you tell me where and all primary key or unique key are we have like we come across in our example. Anyone?
IDs.
Come again. ID. What is it? Employee ID or student ID?
Yeah, it can be like if it is employee table, it can be employee ID. If it is student table, student ID, something like that. Or it can also be like other number.
Yes, yes, that is what. Yeah, good answer. So it not required any prerequisite knowledge, right? So this is our daily life we are using, right? So even our mobile number also unique, right?
Yeah.
So now you come across why it is primary key constraint is very important, right? When
Yeah.
created any table, so primary key how it is role is very important. Now you guys understand in at least one kind of level, right? So what is the primary key, why it is important, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, foreign key is nothing but as name itself a foreign key. The key is already there in another table. Just I'm referring to the my table. Then that is we are calling as a foreign key. Okay, this is I will explain with the examples. Now, if I tell, it won't go in our mind. Simply, I'm saying your guys are listening. But these are very simple, right? As name itself, that not null, unique, check and default. This is clear,
Yes.
high level. So at least as the name indicate that as we normally read, whoever can read the English and understand the English, they can understand. But I given you for the explanation with the data type, how it is involved in the SQL. Is it clear?
Yes.
Anyone have any questions or anyone which one is not clear? Any consent is not clear for you guys? Please let me know. I will I will explain again. No problem. I wanted to make sure everyone at least should understand what is that. So later we can tell where and all use. So we thought I told you guys are captured already. Deepak has captured. What is the primary key? What is the use of that? So how it is important for any particular table? Other any doubts? Please pick it up. Like don't go just simply listening and it is not a good. Please come up with any questions or else let tell me. You guys are clear?
Can you give me an example for foreign key?
Yeah, that is when I explain. Now we won't. But I will give you.
Okay, okay, sure. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
What what happens, right? For an employee, what I can say generally. mm, okay, let it be. Everyone knows that employee and department is very well. Let me go with that instead of thinking more in general life. So, employee is there means employee table, right? But he should be any one of the department, right?
Hmm. Yeah.
See, employee is there in any particular employee, but he should be any one of the department, right? He should have to work in any one of the department. Either it be a developer, tester, scrum master, HR, or finance department, or company staff. These are the department, right? If employee is there, he should have to work in either any one of the department, right?
Yeah.
Is it clear? So it's not even when we are saying that in an company, we are saying that he is in a bench also. Even though he is aligned to the one project, right? So we
Hmm.
should have some department, right? So department number is foreign key for the employee table, right? Department ID is present in department table, but for every employee is aligned with the particular department number, right? For
Yeah.
example, 10 is a HR department and 20 is my testing department, okay, and 30 is my uh, development, right? So employee table contains, for example, table is looks like employees 1, 2, 3, 4 is aligned with the department 10. What is indirectly it is says that? What is the 10?
It's
Is a
the department.
department number. What is the department? It is HR department.
HR.
It belongs to HR
HR.
department. Yeah. So department ID is important role for department table. But how it is important for employee table? So it is a primary key for the department table, but foreign key for employee table. Got it right?
Okay. Yes.
You got right. Now see, department, we have a department ID, department name, and department location. Okay. When coming to the employee table, we have a employee ID, employee name, and department ID. So department ID is primary key for department table, but the department ID is present in the employee table. Got it right? You can say
Yes.
that the primary key of the other table we are referring to the current table, then we are called as a foreign key. Is it clear? Now at least you got it right.
Yes, it is
Even
clear. Yeah.
still, I hope it won't clear. I can understand that. Still, it is not clear. It's okay. Anyone have any doubts now? Like I said, that's why I will explain it. Going practice, I will explain this one foreign key. If I tell like this, it won't understand. Is it clear?
Yes.
So we will try to learn this. Okay. Go, Deepak, I want to start from you, want to
Hmm.
practice, and I want to cover this as well. So, guys, as I told already, I am using a Oracle DB. Okay. In a market, we have several DBs. Okay. Oracle, SQL Server, okay, Postgres DB, MongoDB. Okay. In coming to the cloud system, we will call Google Cloud. Then that is we will call as an data lake. Coming to the Azure, we will call the Azure table. Okay. But I am teaching here Oracle. Okay. You may ask a question? What is the difference? As I told already, only couple of commands syntax it will change. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Don't get a panic like Oh, in my project I have an SQL server. I'm learning Oracle here. Then what is the use? In my project, the Postgres is there are in any project, you new project you assigning, there is an data lake is there. Then what is the use of learning in Oracle SQL? SQL is very mandatory for all the databases. Only the few commands, SQL commands will change DB to DB. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. Let me now, let me just, please stop me. Okay. If you guys are not clear, please stop me. We'll go by syntax, syntax for create table. Okay. It is a keyword we will call keyword table followed by table name. You can use parentheses. You can use column name. One column name. One just I will give data type followed by constraint. Okay. Don't forget in a SQL. End of your SQL should be end with semicolon. Okay. So create a table. This is one of the DDL statement, right? So what is the syntax? Keyword table, table name followed by table name, open and close parenthesis followed by column name, comma, uh, data type, constraint, end of the semicolon. So let me, you may think what is the keyword, right? The keyword is create. What I'm doing? I'm creating a table. Then what is my syntax? What is there next? Table. Now table name. Table name I can give as per the user requirement. Just I want to clear as an EMP. Okay. Now you can go with the column name. Normally, if it is an employee table, what are the columns it contains? Coming to the employee ID. Okay. What is the employee ID? I can declare any data type. It should be integer or varchar. Let me create varchar, varchar 2. As I told already, I will using for memory purpose. So 10 means it is an argument. I am saying that my employee ID should be a 10 character. Okay. Now employee name. What is the data type you can give for name?
String.
Tell me.
Varchar. Varchar.
No, here it is not a, that is what, it is not a Python or Java. It is not a high level language. It is a structured query language. We have an varchar, nothing but string. Yeah, if you are referring that one, you can modify. I need to give 20. Couple of may have big names, right, with including surname. Okay. Now just I didn't give the constraint. Just I created. See, syntax should be very clear. That's why we should have to column name, data type, and constraint followed by constraint, uh, column name it will come, and condition it will come. Okay. So now just this should be syntax. This is very clear. Okay. Then we can, now what I did, only bit I used, right, in my syntax. What I did, just I used bit of that syntax. I didn't even use constraint and condition. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Now at least one we got it. Now I will stop my screen sharing. Deepak, please share your screen. I don't waste the time. It is ready, right? It is open, right? You are connected.
Yes.
You already entered your password.
Yes, I am connected. Yeah.
Please share your screen.
So this is when I log in, this is what I see. SQL
Exactly.
prompt.
So it is connected to database 21. Now, what is the syntax, Deepak? Can you tell me?
Create
Yes.
table,
Followed by table name. You
table
can
name,
take employee EMP.
and this.
No,
Yeah.
that
No, no, no. Open and close bracket parenthesis. You can do that. Anyone know you can help to Deepak?
use the data type means Bharkar to
Let
create
me
table.
ping my, yeah. Let me ping him. So it will be. Hello.
Deepak, you can start with new employee ID underscore. Okay,
Let
Sorry, you are
me.
breaking up.
employee name.
Okay. 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 Okay.
Yeah.
No
You can
problem.
get an employee name.
Varchar 2 followed by you can give any other column name. Okay, create table emp, emp id is varchar 2 10 comma, give a one more column name as an e name. E name, yeah, 20. One more minute, you can close. Yeah, no, good. Now you can hit enter. Let's see what is the error or what is the output you will get. What happened,
Table created.
right?
We
What is the
have
output
created a
we got?
table. We have
Okay,
created a
what
table
you
with
have to
two
do?
columns.
Okay, two columns we have. What is the length we have given? What is the data type we have given? Simply click your arrow up keyword in keyboard. Yeah. So remove that semicolon and hit enter. What happening? Nothing, right?
Nothing. Is it showing
Semicolon.
the
Yes, yes, yes. Semicolon enter. Yeah, it type semicolon hit enter. What is saying?
name is already used by an existing object?
Okay, table already used. We can't create one more table. The table name
with
already exists. We can't create one more table.
with the same name.
Again, click, yeah, same name. Because it won't contain any duplicate table, right? Even if taking a backup, we will give the alias names for that, right?
Hmm.
Yeah, it won't contain any duplicate tables, right? So it will, even with taking a backup, it should be a some rename alias name. Okay, again, upward key, arrow key in your keyboard. One more time, yeah. Remove the one. Okay, okay. Remove one parenthesis, and you can remove. Yeah, semicolon. Now enter. Let's see what is the error you will get. What is the error you got? Missing
This
right
missing
parenthesis.
parenthesis.
By the name itself, we know that, right? What I missed it,
Yes.
right? If you see above, it is highlighting where you have missed, right?
Yeah. Hmm.
You can see some asterisk symbol, right? In the 20, you observe your screen, you can see asterisk symbol, right?
Yes.
So it's saying that you missed the parenthesis here,
Hmm.
right? So again, click upward key. Okay, add that parenthesis.
Add one
Now
more.
you can, you need to correct that syntax first. Okay,
Ah,
now you can remove comma in ename, right? Before ename, there is a comma. Now you can remove that comma and hit enter. Yes, give a space or anything. Now hit enter. I wanted to experience what is this. Okay, what is the error we will get? Okay, when we experience the error, then we can easy to debug. Okay, you can again up arrow key. Instead of create, there is a one more DDL command next to create. What I told in my screen, it is an alter, right?
yes.
When table is ready, then I can go ahead with the alteration, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Now give alter, hit enter. What is you getting?
Syntax is not correct.
Yeah. Invalid alter table options. There is a separate syntax for alter table command. Okay. So as name itself, the invalid alter table options. Okay. So I given already syntax, complete syntax in the chat, right? What is the create table? What are the options we can give? Okay. So that I just example I created. Let me give a one, the complicated one, which contain all our syntax things. Okay. Uh, let me now. Now you can tell me, Deepak,
Yes, sir.
can you copy my syntax and this code as well? So let everyone look. It contains everything syntax. So half of the syntax we have used. So optional just two a column name and data type we have used, right? Go here. We are in the beginning, right? So that's why I'm going slow. We should the basic things we need to understand. Okay. Then once we know the concept very clear, just it is a no, don't copy. Copy in a notepad like my
Oh,
syntax along with this one. Don't create. Yeah, make it big, maximize it, screen maximizer. We can see. Yeah, it is clear, everyone. Don't feel that I'm going slow. Okay, what I'm doing, I wanted to make sure that we are experiencing and the basic things are clear. I will go speed up. Okay, once we know every command for DDL DML, how we can use the queries. Okay. Now copy my syntax. Like I given create table syntax, right?
yes.
Copy that.
Yeah.
Not this one. In my team chat, even I give the syntax, Deepak, in a
Oh,
team.
okay.
Before that, yeah, I given the syntax, right? So before going, we should have to very clear about syntax.
This one?
Yes, yeah. First one is enough. First one is enough. That is the syntax. Below I given as an example. Just I wanted to make sure with this syntax I have given one. It contains all related. Yeah, you paste before. Yeah, you can paste before create table employees. Just I wanted to make sure.
Okay, okay.
So now if we compare, everything is there, right? So earlier when we created example, just we have used couple. If you now see, keyword is create table followed by table name is an employee, the column name, okay, followed by data type, followed by the constraint, okay, constraint and column condition. If you see now in the employee ID, they didn't column name condition, right? Only half of the constraint they have used, right? Okay. If you go to the salary, you can see complete syntax. The column name, data type, okay. What is the constraint? Check one and what is the condition column name and what is the condition for that. Is it clear?
Yes.
Is it clear, right? See, for an employee ID, just we have used column name, data type, constraint. But coming to the salary, we have used all the keywords here: column name, data type, constraint, column name, and condition. Right?
Yes.
Create table is clear.
Yeah.
With this syntax, see, half of I given in a class, just I given as per requirement. Just remember, wherever you go, which language you can go, just don't forget the syntax. Syntax is very important. Okay, see, create table, don't buy at it. Okay, you know the syntax. When you know the syntax, you can create as per our customized table. Okay,
Yes.
even if you see last constraint, we have used in foreign key as well. So that I will teach later. That is there is a, when we referring to the when we declaring a constant as a foreign key, this is the syntax. Okay. Okay. Now let's move on to alter table. Okay. Is it clear? Shall
Yeah.
I share my screen?
Yeah.
Please let me know. Don't feel that it is a slow. See, when you guys are know this syntax, you can create thousands of tables. Okay, based on your customized columns and data types and constraints. Don't forget the syntax for the particular statement. Create statement syntax is clear for everyone.
Yes.
Okay, let me quickly. Okay, even I am feeling slow, but I wanted to make sure you guys in the beginning days, right? You guys are very clear on that the SQL statement. Okay, DDL command. Then I will go day by day bit speed. Is it fine?
Okay.
Okay, you guys have to practice. Okay, let me share my screen. Now I will say now what is our next DDL command? Alter. Okay. As name itself indicates, what we can do,
We can change the table,
we
alter
can
the table.
we can change the table. So that is what. So because when already table is there, right? So now I can do alter table. What is the syntax? Don't forget to write the syntax. You practice like this, so then you won't forget. Okay, syntax, keyword. Okay, table name, yeah, or modify. Okay, column name, data type. Okay, what it says, the keyword table followed by table name, add or modify, column name, and data type. So you guys can give me example now as per syntax,
So
please.
alter table,
Okay.
emp,
Mm-hmm.
and we can modify maybe ename.
Okay.
uh,
Okay, what is the keyword? Alter.
alter table,
Table is remain. I need to
emp.
take it existing table. So EMP has created Deepak. So I took EMP. Now I can add. So we have created only the employee name and employee ID. So there is no department. I want to add, right? Table already created. I wanted to add one particular column. So department. Okay. What is the column name? Department. What is the data type?
Varchar.
Is it clear? No, department. Yeah, you can declare any data type, integer or varchar. Okay. So now give me example for modify. I have given for add the column for the existing column. Now
But
you guys are
department,
understand the syntax. Yeah, tell
sorry,
me.
department won't be integer, right? Or can we use integer for
Dep,
department?
dep, yeah, you can consider department name. Sorry, department name, department number. It is an integer. So
Ah, okay.
now you guys are understand the syntax of the alter table. I have given add. Can you give me the modify, please? Please, go. Please. Alter is the keyword followed by table followed by existing table name. Instead of add, what I will do, modify. What I will do, for example, name I created as an uh, only 20 character. Deepak has created only 20 character. Now what happens? Someone guy has an entered and his surname is more than 30 character. Then my 20 character won't fit for his name. What I will do, I alter. Is it fine?
Yep.
What is the difference between this one? Earlier I had it. Now I modified the data type, length of the data. So you guys can try with change the data type. Already existing data, you can change the data type. You can change the data types when the table is blank. We can't change when there is a data in the column, right? Because when integer data is there, then you directly trying to change the varchar to it is possible to change everything. No, right?
No.
Is it clear?
Yeah.
Is it clear? Apart from Deepak,
Okay, one
anyone,
doubt
any
here.
questions? Yeah, please go ahead.
Yeah, yeah, one question here. Okay. Uh, if data is present, okay, and there are two columns in the
Mm,
currently, okay, if I want to add another column, will it is possible?
mm. Come again, come again. Your question is two columns already
There
there.
is a, okay, and there are four records existing data, okay, employee ID and employee name with
Mm.
all the Deepak, Deepthi, Chaudhary, and Pranay. These
Okay.
are the four records are present, okay. I want to
Okay.
add a new column hire date. Okay, will it be
Yeah, you can
possible
add it.
or
Yeah, yeah.
to truncate
No,
all the
no, no,
data
no,
and
no.
add a
See,
column?
see. No, no, no. See, simple. Adding, it will any in fact, no, right? Adding a column to the table, it will in fact any existing, only what happens, the structure of the table will change, right? Whichever I highlighted, this scenario, what happens? Only structure table will change, right? But here, what happening here?
Hmm.
What happening? Data type, right? Data type,
Yeah.
you are trying to change the data type. So when data is already, how come it is possible?
Okay. If
Got
we
it?
want,
Simple,
it,
yeah, simple example I will give. When you have in the 20K amount in your hand, okay. I wanted to take it 20K from you and I wanted to make it as an give it a 1 rupee. Are you accept that?
no,
Can you accept that? No, right?
no, no, I'll not accept it.
Yeah, like that. When we have a table and data is already there, then you can't do that.
Okay.
Okay. For example, the condition I told we can try when there is a nothing. We just created a table, no record. Then you can easily change, right? There is no data type change over there, right? Got
Yes.
it? When empty table is there, earlier it was there. Simply you declare. Now you are as per requirement. You are changing now.
Hmm.
So what means the precondition? Okay, when we talk to each other, okay, just imagine when we talk to each other. Yes, bro. Dismiss command I don't have it. I request from you when I will give it back. There is a communication, right? You don't, when I'm saying that I'm giving return back to you, you can understand my condition. You are ready to give, right? Give it to me, right? Right? There is no ornament. There is infect on that, right? Is it clear?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I want to like guys, I want you to cover a couple of like it is boring or you at least what I'm teaching it is went in your mind with the syntax, and now you guys can at least create your own table with n requirement, and you can modify the table, and you can add the column, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now let's go into the practice. Deepak, are you ready to share your screen?
Yeah. Okay. Sure.
Okay, we will do that. Already existing table is there. We'll do that quickly. Don't feel that I'm going slow. Okay, I wanted to make you guys very clear for every syntax. Okay, please
Is
don't
there a
forget the keyword. Keyword is very important.
command to clear all this that we are seeing in the screen?
Clear?
Like clearing the screen, like just
Yes, yes. Enter clear. Clear. Enter a semicolon. Let's try.
uh,
What you can do more Oracle, right? This one. Mm, one more. Okay, employee table is already present, right?
mhm.
Okay, so now I will speed up. Okay, I will speed. Create alter table. Table name I already created as an EMP. Now I wanted to give the add, right, followed by add. Oh, no, right, you EMP add. I will post it the syntax and example. Anyone can help to Deepak to complete the task, please. Please, anyone can help who knows. Add. Go ahead, please. Don't stop. Like, go
Column
ahead.
name,
Add.
art
Yeah,
department.
that's it. That is. This is I want. This is I want. Please come. Please come. Don't be shy. Okay. Don't be shy. Wrong. Yes. Don't worry. Don't be shy. It is not a college. Okay. Yeah. Good. Good. Go ahead.
Um,
Go ahead. Go ahead. Deepak. Create. Don't take time. Create whatever column name you want. It is not like it's not harming anything. Please go ahead. Speed up. Speed up.
can we do like this?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. You can. See, answers are coming from couple. I'm very like curiosity and answer from the people. Like I don't want to be simply I'm explaining, you listening, I'm forgetting. No. Practice. Coming to the Python, I will give the more work you guys. It is a sequel, but coming to the Python, eh, I will give the more homework for you guys. So now you added. Can you go ahead, please modify? Please. Can anyone tell in the class? Alter table, employee, EMP. Don't forget syntax. What is the part? Keyword table followed by table name instead of add modify. Don't forget the syntax for the every keyword. Instead of add modify. Employee you can take any value which is already employee name. You can change the varchar length now. Don't hit enter. I will don't hit enter. Copy this copy this whole sentence. Copy. Yeah, delete that. Delete space. Yeah. DESC followed by EMP. Hit enter. What happened? What you got it? Come guys,
Employee
this is
ID,
table
name.
structure. Table
Table
structure.
structure.
When we created, yeah, when we create a table, in the writing we write it right. This is my table. This is my column name. This is the data type. Right? That is there right
Describing
here.
the table.
Yeah, that is it. So why I told to stop you? What is the e name length here?
20.
20. Now you can just paste and hit enter and again type for DSC employee. Come on. Speed up. So what is this saying that invalid? What is the name you given? So modify means already they the you are modifying the existing column, right? Employee address is there. A spelling mistake you did. See, now
Yes.
you can hit enter DSC. What happened?
Varchar is changed from 20 to 50.
Data type is changes. Yeah.
Existing. You guys are interested to learn, right?
Yes.
So this is what practice. Practice is required. Earlier simply a typo mistake. You got the error. What is the error you got? EMP address is a invalid identifier. I don't know this one. It's simply given through error. Deepak, I don't know this column.
Yes.
So take a homework for you guys. Okay. Everyone has to please yeah. Everyone has to create a two table. It contains all the keywords, all the syntax keywords. Two table. And one more. Please take one more. This one. Modify one. You can alter table by adding column. Another one is third one is alter table modifying the empty table. I want this one empty table. You can write it modified data type. When I saying modified data type, you guys should know that when I'm modifying the data type, the table should be empty. This is you have to remember. When I'm saying, you guys should know, oh okay, when data is there I can't do that. When empty, then on event you can change the length of the data. So fourth one, alter the table. Yeah, that is used. Okay, I pasted the keyword. Don't forget keyword. If you remember the key syntax for every only two I teached. Okay, I thought to give more, but like I wanted to interaction. Really, I'm happy. Like I can see couple of voices coming. They can understand. When we know, when I understand, then only the voices will come. And guys, don't do the mistake. Don't please feel that I'm saying wrong. Don't feel shy. Whoever doing mistake, they will learn. Keep remember. And this not, not only this course, okay, go anyway. Don't be mindful like it is a college. What happens, what is the difference, you know, that when we are in academics, when we are in degree, there was an 100 marks question paper. Okay, when I write it in 30%, then I passed. Is it clear? Hello?
Yes.
Is it clear, right? But when coming to the getting a job, it is not like that. When coming to the job, it is not like that. When the panelist has an asked you for an 10 questions, at least you should have to answer 8 questions. Then what is the percentage knowledge required here?
80%.
80 percentage. Please be mindful. Okay, don't do the mistake what you guys did in academics. Okay, is it clear? Getting a
Yes.
job means we should have to 80% 80% is clear on the subject. Okay, academic 30% we will pass only when we 6 months seminars it will come. What we will do? Only last week we will read and we will pass 35 marks. We will pass it. But coming to the job, not like that. Okay, we should have to give the 80 to 90% answer to the panelists to get the job. So for that, we should have to very strong for the known things. Coming to the SQL, we should have to very strong. Coming to the Python, we should have to very strong. What is the tech stack you go? It should be very strong on that tech stack. Is it clear?
Yes.
You guys are getting bored, or shall I want to cover one more
You
one
can
more
cover.
alter syntax?
You can.
Please tell me if you are overloaded already. It is 10 and it's sleeping time, or you want
No,
to cover? No, no. I'm exhausted to learn, and I would like to know one more thing.
one more is
You
fine
guys,
for me.
yes, yes. Tell me. I told right. Don't be academics and all. Please, please. Okay. If you guys
Yeah,
are tired,
I'm
please
fine.
tell me because I can understand it. It is a sleeping time in an IST time. Please let me know. And see, do the practice. See, that is what. Okay. Like, can you please copy paste which are pinged? Can you copy paste in your notepad? Just I will explain what is extra added compared to the earlier.
This one?
Last one, which I last ping. This is earlier, right? The latest one. You go to the new message.
This?
Guys, please let me know if you are getting my. No. That is the last one. My ping. Deepak, you are getting
Sorry.
sleepy.
No.
It's fine. Just kidding, yeah. Don't mindful. Okay, so go to our this one. Okay, syntax I already pinged, right? So keyword is an alter. Go to the screen. Not here. Just I want to do. We will finish this one. Okay, and I will give the assignment, right? Please for tomorrow class, please uh, do your own exercise and come up with. If you faced any issues, or you guys are yes, I completed. I'm very happy to hear that. Okay, see, keyword is an alter followed by table name. What we are doing earlier, I just only added and or I modified the existing column. Now what I'm doing, I am adding one constraint to the existing column. Okay, earlier what I do for nowadays, right? Company is saying that nowadays has Indian government has did right. If you go, when we are the like employees, minimum should be in 18,000 right now. So earlier I created a table. Now I wanted to set the condition for that. What is the constraint we have used? Check constraint. Okay, so syntax is add constraint. So I am saying that constraint. What is the name he is given? Check salary followed by check. That is the keyword, and salary is column between 3,000 and sorry. What is this? 3,000, 30,000. You guys are not identifying or sleeping or what?
No, I saw
Come
it.
on. How much is?
30,000 and 2
30.
lakhs.
Why? It's okay, guys. Just I'm kidding. Okay, don't get. So 30,000 and 20. So just
No, 2
this is
lakhs.
the syntax between 30 and 2 lakhs. So the between the range it will say. Okay, the range when between is range it will say. What is the syntax? X and Y value in between value. So when we add this, okay, when, uh, uh, have you Deepak? I will use your screen for the practice purposes. Have you
Okay.
added the salary table into our table? No, right?
No, no, I have not.
Okay, let me give check. Just I want to. I think can you quickly paste it that. Come on, guys. Execute it. Don't- You created EMP only, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Enter DSC EMP. Use upload keys. Yeah. Good. Yes, speed up. Yeah. So now you can see that I have an added e salary, right?
Yep.
Okay. So why I am not uh, writing this constraint? Deepak, you know this constraint. When I will go for DML statement, right? When I know the values, then only I can teach you this syntax. Okay. Because I already when we had this concept, or else you can change this and you can add it. I will while inserting the when I go to the DML statement, I will use this. Yeah. Let me quickly. We are already running out of time. I don't want to waste your guys.
I have made
Uh,
note of it.
no, what you can do instead of employee EMP. No, in our query only you can change that constant. I didn't add it. Now I am adding. No. Deepak, go to your notepad screen, please. Okay. EMP employee is there, right? Make it as EMP. Above statement. Above statement. Above. Not this one.
Uh,
Above statement. Alter table EMP. Add constraint. Check salary is there, right?
yes.
Yeah. You can make it EMP. Okay. What is our column name? E underscore salary. Change the salary name as to E underscore sal. No. That is the name we can control that. That is the constraint name we have declared. Salary is there, right? Inside the parenthesis, salary between
Yes.
the salary is the column name. You can change E underscore sal. Just copy and paste it over there. Let's execute. See, just keep it in a mind, you guys. This uh, I will explain in a when I cover. Again, quickly type DSC EMP. What happened?
No change.
Is it constraint marketing? Okay, keep it. So this is we have added the constant we have added inserting a value into the table. Right now we have good with created a table. We understand the what are the constraint. Okay, what are the constraints are there in a SQL and how we can create the table and how we can alter the table. This much is clear.
Yeah.
Please, this
Yes.
much is clear for the day session.
Yes.
For
Yes.
tomorrow coming, please was not completed. Please see now Deepak isn't completed. I have shared his screen. He has written in front of me now. He has practiced in the session itself. So come up the next day who has installed. I will ask you guys to share your screen and I will practice on your screen itself. Do practice. Deepak, can you please paste our homework into our chat? You are just
Yeah.
written in the notepad.
Sure. This
Yeah,
this one.
please. Yes. Can you guys please let me know who don't have a laptop? Don't be shy because I don't have a laptop. Oh, Ravi Prasad, that's why I didn't install. Please raise your hands. No problem. Because I will give any workaround for you guys. Okay. That's all, guys. Uh, you guys are interested to learn more the SQL commands.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Please tomorrow come up with the homework solution. Okay. Thank you all. Bye bye.
Thank you so much.
Bye bye.